Hello guys, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So here we are at our application. We are quite close to the completion. Now you could see we are getting the response properly. Okay. So let's go to the design document and see where are we. Okay. So we have completed our first step. Cool. And the table data done. Okay. When a user clicks on reset, and pin should be blank, yes. When user enters a invalid characters, then it should have some sort of error message. Okay, so basically here what I want to tell you is if I enter a here if you see in the backend it is going to the API call. Okay, so actually there are some validations that we can keep here. Some validations like pin code should be of 6-digit character. If anything less than 6, there is no point to send it to the backend API because it is a costly operation. And also pin code should always have the integer numbers only. So characters like A, B, small z, capital Z, anything is not allowed as part of the pin code. So we are going to build these validations in our React application today. And these are very small applications like some text message we are keeping. With this logic you can actually add few more css and display it in a very good manner. Since I'm little weak in css, so I'm not doing that as of now, but I'll suggest you guys to keep trying it, and even in near future also I would like to do that once once I gain more knowledge in the css. I know very high level, but yeah, we need to improve. So let's go here. Where we are in our up in yeah, so here. Okay, so in our pin form, okay, this input form application where we are submitting the data here, right? And once we submit it, we are keeping the flag to true. Once the flag is true, then we are setting it to the backend API. All these things is available in the playlist, guys. Is you can see here, all these things is available in the playlist. I would highly suggest you guys to go and watch it. This playlist already have 6 videos, I think 7, and one more is coming up. Okay, cool. So here once I click on submit, I am doing here, right? And the pin data is here, and with the help of the use state I am setting the data. Okay, so here only I will do one validation like pin data dot length. Okay, if it is equal to 6 digits only, I will send it. Okay, and I'll do another, I'll just copy this guy and paste it here. If it is not 6, anything not 6, I'll just put one sort of a message like uh, invalid pin length, like that I'll keep. Okay, okay, this is one validation. I could keep it here directly. Okay, I think there is some cache related issue in my machine, so I need to open a terminal each and every time and start the server. npm start. Okay, so now what we are doing is we are performing a pin validation on the length. If it is less than 6 characters, so if it is not equal to 6 character, we are throwing some error message. Okay, so here let's send some ideal data, 6 characters. It's loading and it is displaying. If I remove one, then invalid pin length. Okay, this is the validation I'm talking about. Then, and if it is having the characters, then what we can do, what sort of validations we can perform here. Okay, in order to do that we need to have the regular expressions. Okay, so I have one regular expression reference with me, and based on that I will try to perform. Okay, like this. Okay, so here what they are doing is if it is 6 characters and Also something like this I am going to do. Okay, if it is 6 characters and uh, like this. Okay, if it is having 0 to 9 digits, here it is 8, small a to z, capital A to Z, all those things, right? But I am removing those and I am only using 0 to 9 characters. Okay, if it is 0 to 9 characters only I am performing. Okay, then there is a test of on what data, on your pin data, right? If it is that, if it is matching, then only I am performing this operation. If it is not matching, I am not performing this operation at all. Okay, so sorry, yeah, and and okay, this is a one operation I could do. And if it is not matching, I mean to say here I have the 6-digit length, but one of the character is string, what I can do. Okay, that also I want to do a validation here. Okay, so if it is not matching, uh, means what? Okay, let me do one thing, just put it in a bracket for the better readability here. That means what validation I have here. Let's keep a p, like uh, invalid. Let's say like pin is having characters. Okay, so here I'll put negation. So this is the positive scenario and this is a negative scenario. Okay, put this into the brackets. Yeah, now we are ready to go. Yes, npm start. It is starting the React application. Yes. Yeah. Now, now you could see it is loading. Yes. There's some sort of error message. It's popping out. Okay. I think that is a cache related issue I'm facing. So I'm starting the server again. Okay. In the meantime, guys, I would highly suggest you guys to follow this playlist where I am uploading all the videos on this application from end to end, like creating a small application in your React, and how to start, how to run, how to create components, pass the data, how to hit a API, how to use useEffect, uh, and how we can deploy it in the Azure cloud. All those things we are seeing as part of this. Okay, so let's create a positive scenario here. These are 6 characters, right? Now you could get it properly. One of the character is integer. In having characters, I think having invalid characters is a proper word. Okay, yeah, having characters, yeah, that should be fine, no issue. Okay, then if one of the digit is not there, then having invalid pin length. Okay, so all those things are being handled as part of this uh, tutorial, guys, and I will highly suggest you guys to check out my git repository for this code. Okay, I think there's some cache issue, not a big deal. Yeah, this is all about this playlist, guys. When I started to imagine this project, I think I'm pretty much happy with where it stands now. Only thing is I have compromised on CSS part a little bit. So I would rate this application out of 10, 6.5 on 10 in terms of CSS design perspective, but in terms of backend stuff, we never been compromised. Yeah, I think that should be it. I think there's a more room for the CSS part that we will see it. Yeah, that's it from this playlist, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. It's me, Karthik.